What's that? Swimming.
Look, look. Mama, look.
Mm.
Mama, Uncle and you was reading about the naughty egg ran away.
And what's it all about?
It was about to run away on the forest to get a golden egg chicken.
Chicken.
Yeah, on the egg.
Ta kami ng swimming.
And then he gets the trophy chicken.
Uh-huh.
And then he got it from a people called Mr. Chicken. And then he goes, boop, boop, bop, bop. And then he got the wish. And then he gave it to Mr. Egg.
Oh.
And then he says, thank you for the egg. And then he went to
Ang daming sinasabi.
the chicken egg. And he says, hello, what your name is? And then he goes, Mr.
Ang daming kwento. Oh.
And after he walked to a forest called the Golden Trophy.
And
On the egg, on the chicken. And then he
eskwelahan to pero hindi ito yung school nila, Michael.
hit a big bully.
Sa ibang school kami. Pero dito kasi malaking school ng elementary. Elementary sa atin. Primary, elementary. Ayan. Tapos punta sila. Ito yung school na pinupuntahan namin. Para lang saan. Malaki kasi itong school na to. Malaki din yung school ni Michael pero wala silang swimming pool. Ayan. So, ang bilis nila. Late na pala kami. Dali mag 5 minutes pa naman. Days pa naman sila. Ayan. You want drink, Michael? Andun yung swimming pero hindi pwede mag-video. Andun yung swimming. Bawal mag-video. Oh! Rosemary. Rosemary, oh. Bawal kasi mag-video doon. So, hindi na. Maya na ulit. Sobrang init today. Ninyo. Pag yung dalawa. Ayan. Pinunta ko muna sila sa park kasi mamaya na kami uuwi. Pag umuwi kami ngayon, mainit din sa bahay. Dito na lang kami. Doon na sila. As long as dito lang sila maglaro, okay lang sa akin. Nakikita ko sila. As long as nakikita ko yung kung nasaan sila. Nakikita ko naman kung nasaan sila. Ang ganda ng araw today. Naglalaro lang sila. Sabi ko wag sila pupunta sa park kasi mainit. Dito na lang. What did you say? Ah, it's only one.
Where's the other one?
I don't know. Maybe someone's took it already. I told you need to hide somewhere that no one can. Ah, ano?
They were from the food.
Oh, that's why. Don't.
Take them, Michael. I told you you need to give them back.
Yeah, I think they get it back now.
Yeah, because Daddy was not nice to the people you don't. They're not. It's not a toy.
Yeah. To ask your teacher today about your earrings. Why you didn't
Ella,
ask?
get out!
Why you didn't ask?
Okay, I forgot.
You forgot it.
I forgot what the name is.
I forgot it too.
Tell my teacher to give it tomorrow. Call. Call number.
What?
Call 911. 199.
And
Call. Hello, teacher. Give me my earring back.
relax.
It's been barbecue stuff in a while.
So that's what we need to do. I like to take a photo on the heart, Michael. Can you take a photo of me there? Wow. Ducky. Oh, we can have something in here. Hanap tayo. Can we have like the barbecue food in here? Huh? Yeah. Oh, have more here. I want to take, yeah. Huh?
I don't get for
We have pork. But I don't know both of you. Michael have a pork.
I don't need. I'll zoom with the dead eyes.
Hmm? Sarap.
Are you setting on my door?
Michael, oh, Ella, eat the chicken before it will. It's really nice. Mm-hmm. Ella. Oh, pig. Pig in sheep. Sheep in pig. Pig in sheep. Living in the duck. It's cute. So cute. It's amazing. Ducky, rooster, the mouse. Told you the mouse is scary, not cute. So cute. Look at this, a camel.
Yeah.
Yeah. Sheep. Ella, where do you want to go now, Ella? Huh? Where do you want to go now? Are we going inside now? Ella? Come on.
I asked Daddy to buy this.
Yeah, ang mahal. 10 pounds. Show me. 10 pounds. Parang 700 pesos. Ito lang. Patingin. Likata, Oy! Nangihitaya ako dyan sa 10 pounds. Ay!
Oh, that's one. What's a fizzy up mean?
Busy up?
Yeah. What's that mean?
I don't know. Ako yung English ko hindi magaling.
Does it mean you are a fizzy and you're doing
No,
a
fizzy is like you know the coke is like hindi ko may explain.
like
Maano siya?
a Coke and a fizzy?
Yeah. You're right. Alam mo naman pala bakit mo papapano sa akin. Dito kami sa park. Ooh, wait. Ella. Kami sa park. Oh. But you know what? Ella's happy. I think her trousers is pulling down. She needs bigger trousers now.
Me up. Well, it's mommy.
It's okay. Yung leggings sila.
I've been here twice.
We've been here twice now, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, me and Daddy and
Yeah.
here so many
Yeah.
times.
Yeah.
Daddy and Ella.
You've been here so many
Two times.
Oh, when the last time when I'm not here?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I remember that when I went to where did I been? You want to go there to work?
We were going.
Oh, come on then. Wait for me, Ella.
Well, no, this is not too steep. It's kind of not crazy out.
Cheers. Ella. One, two, three.
Is this on already? Yeah.
Jump.
This is Lulu.
Mama.
Where's my cousin?
No. I want it.
Ang dalawang mag-ama, magkamukha nag... Whee! Look, andito kami sa kanal. Ayan no. Michael, you want to swim? Gusto mo mag-swim? Oh. Mister. Gusto mo mag-swim? You're learning how to swim, do you? You want to practice today?
I do not want to go in the water.
I do not. Why?
The kind of the water is too cold every time you put me out.
I'll put our hot water there. Hindi ka na. Ang ganda ng ano.
It looks like proper kind of sport.
Mm-mm. Oh, where's Ella and Daddy now?
Kind of can.
Oh, wala na sila. Ang bilis nilang maglakad.
There's a big one.
Ah?
There's a cola can on your head somewhere.
Really? Are you joking?
It's on your head,
And my hair?
on the back.
I can't see you. Pinagloloko mo ko eh. Yung dalawang magkamukha wala dito. You're so fast. Andito kami sa labas. Nagtrabaho ako. Ngayon, nandito pa rin ako. Lala ko ng 1 oras papunta sa trabaho. May tower din kami dito. Yeah. Oh, wow. Come on, let's go. Dito na kami sa malapit sa highway. Ah? Yeah. Ella, wait for us. Look. Ella, wait. Ella.